Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to take the template that we made in Photoshop and then upload it into Procreate to add in photos to make your planner stickers in Procreate. So the first thing we're going to do is open up Procreate. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go to the plus sign and create a canvas at the screen size. The screen size works the best for when you're pulling in your template. And then we're going to go up to your little wrench and click Insert File. Now I have my template saved to my Dropbox, so I'm just going to bring it up from my Dropbox. Okay, once it's brought into Procreate, just size the template to the canvas. Now that we have our template size to the canvas, we're going to start bringing in photos. So I'm going to just insert photos. Now you want to drag your photo and line it up to the box and resize it to the shape of the box. Just like that. So now I'm just going to bring in photos and place them all over the boxes. I have all my pictures into my template, and now for this bottom piece you can add in like little clip art pieces, quotes, anything that you want. You can add washi to the bottom, your little header boxes, whatever you want. So I'm just gonna go in and bring in just some for examples. So as I brought this in, you can see that there isn't a white background. And the way I did that is there's an app that you can use, and it's called Magic Eraser. And then you just have to click out of the ads. And then just go to whatever thing that you want to make without a white background. Resize it, done, and then just click the background that you want to erase, and then go up to the little save icon, save it as a PNG. I always do high resolution, and then just go back into your Procreate, insert a photo, and pull it in, and then you see that it doesn't have a white background. This will make it really easy for when you want to pull it into your planner and you don't want a white background to go on your photo. So I'll just insert a couple more just to show you what you can do. That's how you add pictures to your planner template. Now, to save it, you want to go up to your layers and then delete the template layer. And then you can turn your background off, and this is what it will look like without your background when you save it as a PNG. So we're just gonna go up to the wrench, we're gonna go to share, and then save it as a PNG. And then what I like to do is just save it back to my Dropbox, but you can save it wherever you save it, like Google Docs or whatever. And just save it in my, you wanna name it, and I'm just gonna name it Feb Test, and then we're gonna just save that. Now I'm going to show you how to put them into your planner pages. So I always decorate my planner in Procreate. So what I like to do with that, I have all my pages saved already to Dropbox, so I just import them in from my Dropbox. Oops. And I have the Truly Yours planner from Naptime Alternative, and I really love her planner. I always usually use week 4 with the white background. To bring them in, all you have to do is go to your wrench and then insert file, and then wherever you save them to, and I just saved them in my Dropbox, and then I named it Feb Test. Let's see. Just click it and it'll bring it into Procreate. Okay, so now that it's in Procreate, you can just go and make sure that layer is selected. Go to your little ribbon tool, and then I always use the rectangle selector, and you're just going to select, around your box, click duplicate, and then I turn this layer off, and then click the arrow and just move it to wherever you want to place it. And there you have a planner sticker. Now you can just go to your layers, turn that layer back on, and I'm going to zoom in here so I can see. Go to your ribbon tool, just make a selection again, duplicate, turn off this layer, and then you can move it around and place it wherever you want. So that's a really easy way to make your own planner stickers in Procreate, so then you don't have to use your computer. And then to get photos, you can just go to Pinterest or Tumblr or even Google. You could just pull pictures off of there and pull them into your template, resize them to the right size, and then just pull them into your planner.